tribe speaks one of the most ancient languages in the world, and once you hear it, it'll blow your mind.
Koko.
Koko.
Koko. Cheta.
Koko.
Davadi to I some digestion or don't.
But there's a dark truth behind this tribe that many people don't know. These are the Khoisan people, an indigenous tribe of hunter-gatherers who live in southern Africa. These people possess all the genetic traits that would connect to the origin of the human race. They're known for their distinct physical features, including their tall, slender bodies and elongated heads. The Khoisan people also speak very unique languages, which are click-based, and it's considered to be one of the most complex languages in the world. What makes this tribe so unique is that they were one of the first people to inhabit southern Africa, making them one of the oldest tribes. They have incredible knowledge of wild animals and the environment they live in. One of these essential skills was knowing what plants made what medicines. But perhaps the most important was being able to track and successfully take down wild game with poisoned arrows. In the past, their most prized kills were elephants and rhinos. However, the Khoisan were once hunted and are now facing extinction. You see, when the European settlers came to southern Africa, they hunted and killed thousands of Khoisan. On top of that, they were also slaughtered by African tribes in a hidden genocide. Then the arrival of apartheid many years later further repressed the Khoisan, and they quickly became one of South Africa's most threatened tribes. Climate change also had a direct impact on the Khoisan. 22,000 years ago, when they first lived in southern Africa, the land was wet, fertile, and packed full of wild game. All of this started to dry out as the region became hotter and drier. Democracy has also failed the Khoisan. They face challenges such as displacement and mistreatment. Laws in countries where they once lived now prevent the Khoisan from hunting as they once did to survive. They took away their land and refused to give them rights. Their click languages are disappearing fast. Traditional music and singing are not as common, and the art of making weapons, traditional jewelry, and clothing are starting to be made just for tourism. Despite being southern Africa's first people, they're still the most neglected and forgotten. In spite of the widely accepted belief that these were among the country's first people, they're still among the most neglected and forgotten, and we may well be witnessing the death of a special culture.